No, pero mira, de verdad, en serio, ellos se esforzaron. Yo empecé a pedirle mucho a ellos y ellos exaltaron, chacho, más de lo que yo esperaba como músico, ¿verdad? Como alabanza. Ellos se han tocado, lo han dicho de corazón, amén. Gloria a Dios, lo hicieron por el amor que le tienen a ustedes, ¿verdad, Sabio?
Sí mismo es. Y en esa misma nota me gustaría, o nos gustaría agradecerle a todos los caballeros que estuvieron aquí o que en alguna manera pudieron aportar en cualquier cosa o ayudar a que pues, esta pequeña actividad pudiese realizarse.
Amén, amén, gloria a Dios.
Solamente a este que está aquí.
Yo creo que fue primero, ok, So, mi esposa no está aquí, pero no estoy hablando en inglés porque no somos fácil también. Pero so I also wanna have Mother's Day, so very special present to me. Even though we fight a lot, we fight all the time, but I'm just trying to I'm straight. So she's very special. She's very special in my life, and she's a really good mother. And so I always give her a hard time because I want it to be the best. I know there's no failure in my house, so I am very strict with her. So she's living in my house, so it's very strict on her too. So I just want to tell her that I'll do everything I do, and it's for her own good. You know, I know she got potential, and I know she's a great person, great mother. I mean, maybe this wasn't her plan for her life to be a mother at such a young age, but she's doing a great job. She had 2 jobs and she went full-time to school. I don't know if you guys know so. And she graduated and stuff like that. But so 2 jobs and full-time school and full-time mother was really hard on her. And it didn't help that she was around me because I'm very hard on her too because there's no slacking, you know what I mean? So I just want to give her this gift. Sorry about the mom. So I just want to give her this gift and tell her she's special, and I'm very grateful for her being around. I'm just on but you have to put up with you, man.
Gloria a Dios.